In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales dashboard in Glide. To get started, open your browser and head over to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and sign into your account so you can access your existing projects. After you're in, open the app you want to edit. This is the app where your sales dashboard will live, so make sure you're working in the correct project before you begin making changes. With your app open, the next step is to add a new section in the navigation. Click Add in the navigation area, and when prompted, choose the data source you want this dashboard to use. This is an important step because your chart will only be as useful as the data behind it. So, if your app has a table or collection that stores sales records, dates, and amounts, that's the source you'll want to select. After choosing the data source, move over to the right panel and choose a style for this new screen. The style controls how the dashboard appears inside the app, so pick the one that best matches the layout you want. Even though this is a quick setup, choosing the right style can make the dashboard feel cleaner and easier to read. Next, go to the left panel and click Add Component. This is where you'll insert the visual element that turns your sales data into something much easier to understand at a glance. From the list of components, choose either a bar chart or a line chart. A bar chart is helpful if you want to compare values across time periods in a bold, visual way. A line chart is great if you want to show trends and patterns over time. Both work well for a sales dashboard, so choose the one that fits your goal. Once the chart is added, look again at the right panel and configure the chart settings. Set the X-axis to date and the Y-axis to sales amount. This tells Glide exactly how to plot your sales data, with time along the bottom and revenue values measured vertically. If your data is organized properly, your chart should begin displaying your sales performance right away. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your updated sales dashboard live so it's ready to view and share inside your app. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to build a sales dashboard. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.